Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you are getting informative videos on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you do not miss the latest videos.
If you're looking for an easy way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage, this video will guide you through the complete TP-Link TL-WA750RE extender manual setup using a web browser. I'll explain every step in detail, from connecting to the extender and opening the setup page to selecting your Wi-Fi network, entering the password, and completing the installation successfully. Whether you're setting up your TP-Link TL-WA750RE for the first time or configuring it after a factory reset, this beginner-friendly tutorial will help you get your Wi-Fi extender up and running quickly. So let's start the setup process. First of all, insert the TP-Link TL-WA750RE into a wall power outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED lights up solid green. This indicates that the extender has finished booting and is ready for setup. Keep the extender in the same room as your router during the initial configuration. Open Wi-Fi settings on phone/laptop. Connect to Wi-Fi name like TP-Link_extender or TP-Link_RE315. No password needed first time. Open browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. In address bar type, http://tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Press Enter. First time setup will ask to create admin password. Enter new password or confirm password. Click Start. Remember this password for future login. Extender will search nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait for scan list. Select your router Wi-Fi name. Click Next. Choose correct band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. If your Wi-Fi not showing, move extender closer, refresh list or check router on. Now extender needs router password. Type Wi-Fi password carefully. Click Next. Wrong password means setup fail. Some important tips: check capital letters. Remove extra space. You can keep same Wi-Fi name or change. Example: home Wi-Fi _ext. Edit name if needed. Click Next. Keeping same name helps seamless roaming. You will see summary. Check Wi-Fi name password. Click Save/Apply. Extender will reboot. Wait 2 minutes. After reboot, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to new Wi-Fi name. Enter router password. Internet should work now. Now unplug and place extender halfway between router and weak area. Best placement tips is not too far from router. Avoid walls, metal or keep in open area. Setup complete. Your Wi-Fi signal is now extended.
I hope you like this video. If you're stuck in middle of the setup process, then don't panic. Feel free to contact our professional experts at 132350737713. Our experts team will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative videos.